Hello students, myself Gajendra Kumar, I belong to Agra. As per my previous information, I have told you, first of all, I will solve the queries of students, whatever they have sent to me. Otherwise, I will solve those questions they have done wrong from the exercise, which I have sent to you on their WhatsApp number. So first of all, I will solve those queries of them. Now listen to me. Join to me to get profit from my class for competitive exams through this video channel, and send your name and your details on my WhatsApp number 9557685801. So hurry up students, connect to me early. After my lecture, at the last, you will find out my exercise. I will try to write on the board, otherwise I will send on your WhatsApp number. Now, I will solve those queries of those students. They corrected to me and they solved the questions wrong. The place value of 3 in this number, this 3 and this 3, each and every 3. First 3 is at the place of ones. So we multiply by 1 with 3, then answer will be 3. 3 is place value of this 3, and this is the place of tens. So this value will be 3 multiplied 10 is equal to 30. So 30 is the place value of this 3 digit. Next 3, it is at the place of 1000. So its place value is 3 multiplied with 1000 is equal to 3000. There are 3 digits of 3 and these are having different place values because these digits are at the different places. So they are having different place values. There were 3 set of the numbers, and find out which one set is co-prime. Co-prime means I have taught in my videos. Those numbers are having only one common factor. We factorize the 5, then 1 and 5 two factors, and 6 1 2 3 and 6. It is having 4 factors 1 2 3 6. Factor means that number will divide those numbers completely. Those are called factors of that number. 6 can be divided 1 2 3 and 6. All numbers can divide to 6 completely. There will not be any remainder. Like this type 1 and 5 can divide to 5. There will be no remainder. Here you are looking, only 1 is common factor. So 1 is over here. SCF also of those numbers, and 1 is common factor. In this also, if you will factorize both numbers, you will find out that there will be SCF1. Here also there will be SCF1. That's why all sets are co-prime number. Here is a circle and it is divided in 8 equal parts. In this, 3 parts are shaded. We have to find out the value of shaded part. So value of shaded part is equal to, I taught you which part we have to get the value. We will count them and write upper side. Here Shaded parts are 3. 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 upon total equal parts in which that thing is divided. There are 8 parts. We write 8. So this shaded part value is 3 upon 8. Very simple. To solve this type of query of addition, we have to write these numbers in columns. First we write 5,000. Then after 69 under 5,000. I taught you we have to write ones under ones. In this 0 is ones. In this 9 is ones. So we write 9 over here. In this 0 is tens. In this 6 is tens. We write 6 over here. From right hand side, we write always the numbers downside of the number in which we are adding from our right hand side always. This is also we write 309,719. Then add it. And we solve the addition and subtraction always from right hand side. Add it. 99927, 7, 2 is carry, 6 to 8, 819, 7 3, 10, 10 0, 1 is carry, 5 1 6. This is the answer of this question. Is good. Point 6 we write. First number. Second number is 0.007. In this type of problem, like this type of problem, I taught you we have to write always decimal under decimal. And decimal digits we write this side and whole number we write this side. These are decimal digits. We write 0, 0, 7. In this 8 is whole number. We write 8 this side. 0.02. 5,000 is whole number. Ones under ones. 8 is ones. 0 is ones. 0, 0, 5. You can write over here decimal. No problem. After any number, if you will write decimal, value will not be changed of that number. Then 0.09. To solve easily, we will fill every place. Wherever empty places, we can fill by 0. Then add it. Every empty place we have to fill by 0, 0. Then I can solve easily that question. 7, 7. 9 to 11, 1. 1 carry, 6, 1, 7. Point. 8, 8. 0, 0. 0, 0. 5, 5. If there is nothing to add, there is nothing to add, there is nothing to add. We write like this. This is the exact answer of this question. One student solved this question like this type. 7 multiply 3, 7 3 is 21 minus 5 2 is 10. 5 multiply with 2, 5 2 is 10 upon 7 5 is 35 is equal to 11 upon 35. But I taught in videos like this. 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 7. First of all, we have to get the LCM of both denominators. Means 5 and 7. LCM 5 1 is 5, 7 left. 1 7 1 is 7. LCM is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So we write over here LCM 35. Then this LCM will divide by first denominator. 5 divided to 35. How many times it will go? 7 times. 5 7 yeah 35. Question will be 7. That question we will multiply with its numerator. 7 multiply 3 is equal to 21. 7 3 is 21. Then sign of minus. Write down sign of minus. Then after 7 divided to 35, 7 5 is 35. 5 times it will go. 5 is a quotient. That quotient multiply with its numerator. 5 2 is 10. Then 11 upon subtracted 11 upon 35. Answer is 11 upon 35. 11 upon 35. Both answers are same over here. But this logic is correct completely. At every place you can apply it. But this logic you can apply at some places only. It is also correct. I am not telling it is not correct, but it will not be correct always. It will correct whenever both denominators are having one SCF only. It means both should be co-prime numbers. Then you can solve by this method. Otherwise, your answer will not be correct. These were the queries related previous exercise. Now I will teach you on next topic.